What is up, YouTube? It's your girl OrlandoQponQueen, and of course we're at Walmart. I mean, hello, this is my life, right? We are at Walmart that is exactly 5 minutes away from Walt Disney World. Try not to go to this Walmart because it is super duper busy. So it is like about 35 minutes away from my house. I was checking Brickseek and it shows that there's a lot of great clearance, which typically the store does have a lot of great clearance because it is filled with tourists and nobody's really paying attention to clearance, and the locals try to avoid the store because there's a lot of tourists and it gets super busy and it gets super crazy. Let's go ahead and check what's at Walmart and I will let you guys know what I find. Just in case you didn't believe me, yes, we are 5 minutes away from Disney, and this is what a Walmart or a Walmart that's next to Disney looks like. Hold up, first of all, I really want this. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, so last time I was here, I wasn't like a Disney pass holder or anything, so I wasn't really like a huge, I mean, I am a fan of Disney. Obviously, I have like tattoos of like Disney or whatever, but I really want this. I think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It's $10 though, so I don't know about it. And of course, we have a whole Disney section here. Like, it's crazy. Look at this. There's like a whole bunch of Disney stuff here. I'm only in the PJ section, and this store has so much clearance. So much clearance in the pajamas alone. So I'm kind of excited. But there's a lot here. There's a lot of pajamas that are already 50% off. This got marked down about, actually yesterday it got marked down to $7. So I would honestly, I feel like this would actually stay here. Well, maybe, because this is like a spot where tourists do come, and if they forget their pajamas or whatever, then they might buy them all. But right here, these are all 50% off. Those are 50% off. There's some over there for $1. Actually, hold up. Look at these. These are only $1, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of these. There's these for $5, but hey, look, yeah, we found some for $1. So these are 90% off. 90% off, y'all. $5, and so forth. Ooh, $1. We found another $1. $5 and $5. Check this out. I was actually looking for these at my other stores, but I could not find any. I guess everybody had bought them all super quick, but these babies over here retail to $1.90, and they're actually part of Christmas clearance. Not sure why, but it is. And they're only 19 cents each. Also, a couple things I want to go over. Remember that I do use the Walmart app to check for prices. So download your Walmart app. Another thing is that I keep on forgetting, which I totally apologize, is showing you guys the barcode. So here's the barcode to these. They're all different barcodes though, because they're different colors, but just to get a perspective, I'm pretty sure if you scan this with your Walmart app at home, you can pull up all the numbers, or you can pull up all the other colors and see if it's available at your store. Alrighty, also pay attention to your Walmart makeup section, because a lot of them is being marked down. So these here, I actually bought them at my other Walmart. These are on clearance for $2, and then we have a $3 Ibotta offer. So these will end up being free plus a money maker. So I'm getting paid to take these out of the store. Remember, if you guys are not part of my Ibotta, I will put the link down below in the description box, and you guys can go ahead and join my team and we can rock it out together. Look at the mascara. So this mascara is $2.35, and then we also have another $3 Ibotta rebate for these, also making them free, plus a small money maker. The limit for them, for each of them, is 3, so we can grab 3 of each and we will be good. Over here on this section over here, we have some 67-cent lippies, and then we have 73-cent pressed powder. Super cheap. Again, check your stores. Not every store is going to be the same, so make sure you guys go ahead and check your stores. They usually do this type of markdowns like every year, I've noticed. Typically, like everything else, like Ross, Walmart, Target, they all do like the same type of markdowns every year. But these here are like super cheap. Over by the clearance section, we have a bunch of Yankee candles for only $5. These are really good. I'll probably like grab one or two, maybe. I don't know. I have too many candles at home, so I'm not trying to overdo it. But the wax melts are $2 for the Woodwick. That is a really good brand. These here are $4. More wax melts, but I got a whole bunch of those. You guys know that. Ooh, 50 cents over here. Yes, okay. I'm gonna smell a couple of them, and I'll probably grab the 50-cent ones, because I do like some of these. Baby clearance is starting little by little, so keep an eye out on these Baby Trends Easy Ride travel systems. I believe I filmed it at my other store, I think my previous video before this. So these here are only $70. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the barcode for that, because a lot of stores actually have them for $70. If you are near me, like in Orlando, this is the Walmart right next to Disney, and they have a lot of these strollers for only $70 left. Found more of the dollar pajamas. There's a whole table of them and different designs. I came back to the clearance section, and they actually have $1 shoes. So all these shoes here are all $1, but there's none in my size, unfortunately. They even have these little like Converse dupes for $1. More candles. I found this candle for $1. Oh yeah. There's the barcodes for things, guys. I forget. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm at store number 2. I'm a little far from home, but I checked Brickseek, and Brickseek showed me that these were $5. Well, $4. So I ran over here and I found them. So these are retail to about almost $15, and they're actually on clearance for $4. And this store kind of has a lot. So if you're local, this is the Claremont Walmart. I've never been to this Walmart, so I don't know where I'm at. So yeah, $4. Here is another item. So this over here at my other stores are like $50, and it is $15 here. So here's the barcode for this. It is a Disney princess like little tent with a sleeping bag and a flashlight with a little carrying case. It's super cute, and it's on clearance for $15. Also, since I keep on forgetting to show you guys the barcode, this is the barcode for the Pioneer Woman throws. But again, they come in different designs, so you would have to check each design separately. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember that I was looking for these storage containers at my other store. These are actually retail to $44, okay? Like almost $45, okay? And they're on clearance here for $15. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. I was gonna wait until they were like $10, like everybody else has been posting, or even $5, but by that time they're all gonna be gone, so I'm not gonna wait. But this is perfect for me to put in my Christmas tree and all my Christmas decorations. Also, we know we all have clearance wrapping paper, like a lot. This here was $16, and now it's only $5 for this. And the cap is still up here. So this is a good buy, definitely. I might get it, not sure. But definitely this I'm gonna grab, because I am gonna put my Christmas tree in there. I found more Pioneer Woman items. So this here is showing up for $19.88. But nope, it's actually on clearance for only $5. So $5 for this one. It's about, what, 75% off? Here's the barcode. It is a fragrance warmer, basically a wax warmer. Super cute, and it's glass. Power record. Oh, it has timer setting. So that's cute. $5. These here were actually, I think, $30 for the holidays. It's the toasty. It's the tasty 23-piece. It's a cookie kit, and then we have a pizza kit up here. So it comes like a little small thing. It's like kid safe. It helps them, you know, bake and all that. So these are actually on clearance for $5. So $5 from, I think, $20, I think it was. All my other stores are $10, and these are $5 here. Alrighty, y'all. So there goes my 4 hours of clearance hunting in 2 different stores. I found quite a few items. Thank you so much for watching. Also, thank you so much for 80,000 subscribers. I know I'm way past 80,000, but yesterday I had reached 80,000 subscribers, and I think I'm at 83,000 83,000 subscribers now. Probably by the time I post this video, I'll probably be at 83,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. Also, big shout out to all of y'all coming from TikTok. Thank you so much for subscribing. A lot of people were a little, I guess, mad because I told my TikTokers over a video that went viral to go to my YouTube channel, and everybody was going crazy saying that why should we and why should we support people. But listen, y'all, I think everybody as individuals need to support everybody else. Sorry, just saw a car almost crash at each other, but okay. I think everybody needs to support each other, especially during these tough times, because listen, a lot of jobs aren't even paying as much, and if people want to go ahead and freelance and be their own boss, support them, support your friends. Okay, so that is my memo for today. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go home, gonna go eat, and I'm probably gonna lay down. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I am on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Bye.